On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter Gang? What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. How's it going? Happy Monday. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I know I did. I was on a wild wind adventure. I drove all the way out to Ottawa, which is about a 6-hour drive. So it was a heck of a trip. I mean, I think you could drive across the whole of UK in like about 10. So it was a wild adventure. I got to meet one of my fellow traders, Kyle, in the land beyond my own, in Narnia. I got to visit with some family members. I touched some grass. I didn't touch any ass. And I had a wonderful time. Hopefully you did as well. But guess what? We're back. We're ready. Let's get into the charts, baby. What is going on, Otter Gang, man? What a nice pump, man. You know, the craziest thing is I got back last night after driving 6 hours. After driving 6 hours, being exhausted, you know, all that good stuff, came back, and guess what? One of the first things I did when I got back, besides giving Nono and my grandma a big hug, you know, I came back and updated the Otter Gang. And guess what? We gave you guys a special buy level. We said, hey, man, we're coming in here. This is where we're going to break it down now. And we did. We broke it down now. And guess what? We bounced out of that perfectly. So, you know, we're always prepared. We're always prepared. It was awesome meeting you, bro. It was awesome meeting you too, Kyle. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Kyle's a beautiful human, man. Beautiful human. Great family. Great people. Thank you for having us. I appreciate you, bro. Now it looks like we're rolling over. But we were prepared for this level last night, as usual. That's how we roll. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Carius, good morning. Jesse, Crypto King, Splashy Guitar, Chantel, good morning to you guys. Hanseku, good morning. James A. Monetti, what's it going on? Tony Soprano, happy belated birthday, bro. What's going on, Chicken? Good to see you, bro. Massey, Rashad, what's going on, Frost? Good to see you. Let's get it, beautiful legends. And if you are Canadian, please go and vote today. I don't care. I do kind of care who you vote for. However, in a democracy, you should always exercise your right to vote. So please get out there and vote accordingly. Okay? We won't talk politics. I remember once we had a politics section in our Discord. It lasted about 2 hours. Quick Smoker, what's going on? Massey, much love to you. Alexandra G, good morning, Alex. I hope your day is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Alex. You have such a beautiful name. Alexandra G, coming through every morning. Have a safe drive. Have a wonderful day. Donato Cabrero, Crypto Rob, Jesse Galluck, Shy Owl, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Stone Cipher, Gains for Life. What's going on, man? Hello, Lord Otter. You spectacularly awesome bunch of furry, wet-suited, web-footed, successful trading otters. Let's go. I guess that would be like it all in a nutshell. Yeah, that would be pretty good. Little overextended here, everybody. So we did come down to that level last night over here. And now we have literally like AlexOCrypto all the way up here. And then like a very sporadic push here. So not the most favorable price action this morning to start Monday off with a shebang, okay? So I think we're going to require some patience here. Some patience. They speak French in a lot of Ottawa, so I practiced my French, tabernacle, okay? And je parle français un petit mot, so we spoke a little bit of French, and then we was like, man, this language is, I don't necessarily know if I like French that much. Do you guys like French? I prefer Espanol. I like cojones, you know, the big cojones. You got to have the chica bonitas and the Francais, s'il vous plaît. It feels very nasally. Is it nasally? I don't know. Whatever. Good times. Curtis Hill, good morning. Jesse, French Toaster, ENN, Pancho Villa. What's going on? You guys all got a good cup of coffee this morning. This thing is banging. This is a good one. Yeah. That's like a 9. That's like almost a dime sack coffee. What's going on, Rashad? Good to see you. Jakes, what do you think of this price action? Chopping all the way up and now doing some sporadic stuff, man. We're in for some trouble. What is important this week, everybody, is we have a thing that's called earnings, okay? Earnings. I don't know, like, if we're supposed to be aware of this in the crypto world, but I'm aware of it, okay? We have earnings. Earnings are, you know, especially with Thursday looks like a doozy. Apple and Amazon, I mean, there's going to be some volatility. Let's just face that, okay? Depending on earnings, we should be prepared for that, okay? I'm going to announce it to the Discord. Earnings this week. Okay? Because we should always be prepared for anything, really, anything. You know, we don't trade news here, but we need to be aware so that, especially as a scalper, like if I'm scalping, I can't let news ruin my trades, okay? It's not how it rolls. And then for the economic data this week, we do have a couple of important things. Nothing today though. Okay, but tomorrow we have JOLTS. Okay, lots of job stuff. JOLTS. Wednesday we have core PCE and GDP, and then Friday the doozy. The Friday unemployment. That's going to be a fun one. So we do have a fun week ahead of us. So let's be prepared for that. Looks like we are rolling over after hitting our resistance this morning. No trade so far. Let's just try to practice some patience this morning. Looks like, you know, getting everybody excited and then rolling over. Darren does things. What's going on? Clay the Great as well. Gains for Life. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. Milan, good morning to you. This looks like we're rolling over, guys. Into the little order block retest in here. Not interested right now. Gonna feed the puppy, then I'll be back. Hope everyone had a blessed weekend. Don't forget to smash the like on the way in. Thanks, Darren. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for smashing up that like button, everybody. He's got a new puppy. Do you got a new puppy, Darren? Dream big. What's going on? Like your name, man. Good to see you, Jesse, as well. Geronimo, my man. How's it going, Django? Good to see you as well. Crypto Creyente. Have a great stream. I'm waiting for Kyle's stream. He mentioned your channel. What a nice guy. What a nice guy. Hola, Crypto Sammy. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Wally, Dex. What's going on? Crypto Birdie, Ondo Poncho, Pappy Boyington. How's it been, man? Pappy Boyington. Been a while. Crocodile. Hugo's, what's going on? Albert Rajajagukuk. The best name in all of crypto. I don't know. Is there a better name in crypto? You guys let me know. Salcho, good morning, bro. Good to see you. Fire country season. It was awesome meeting you too, Hugos. What's going on, Ondo Froth? I've lost my spot here. That's why I always highlight it, because I never know where I ended up here. There we go. 6-hour drive is a casual day's drive in Oz. Yeah, same here in Canada. My moose, miles per gallon, it runs on water, and thank God we have the Great Lakes here in Canada. Django. Define, good morning to you. Hugos, good morning to you. Jazz Tech, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Needs, Saman, good morning. Todar, Niels, Unholy, what's going on, man? Let's go. Good morning. Made 250 last week on a 2K account. Beautiful. Great work, man. 1% rule. That 1% rule is where it's at, man. Kyle's in the chat. My man. Easy C-E-N. Defiant Marcus. Jesse Knott. Good morning. French Toaster Chicken. My man. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Imagine voting in the same people who literally ruined your country over the last 10 years. Interesting, right? Wave Cipher. Mr. Pixel Nick. What's going on, Newbie Crypto? Good morning, Otters. Paul Caruso, good morning to you. Whoever wins in Canada, I hope they give you lower taxes. Yeah, that's a joke. All the jokes this morning. I don't think we're going to get lower taxes, man. I think either we're going to get more taxes or more inflation if one party wins, and then we'll see what goes on if the other party wins. Who knows? It's going to be an interesting day. We shall see. Democracy is important, but sometimes people need to get their... We won't go there. I'm not going to go there today. I'm not going to do it. You guys are tempting me to. What's going on, Nick Musgrave? Good to see you. Call me Dave, Geronimo, Andrew Cameron. Yeah, if you are Canadian, though, go out and vote, man. Attila, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Hugo's, Kyle. French people are too angry. Yeah, that's Tavernax. Sacre bleu. Yeah. They do get quite irritation. But I'm an Englishman. ESP for sure. Rashad, good morning to you. Dave Cryptic, Sharkland, what's going on? Joshua, Saphir, Hugo's, Nick, Crypto, Creyente. Kyle, are you going live? Yeah, they all want to know, Kyle. Thank you for dropping in, buddy. Nick Musgrave, I believe Nick took the pink box trade last night. Nick, did you take that trade? You took the trade given last night, the area for the box bounce. The box bounce, right? Good morning, our pink, Retro Mike Tech, Gains for Life, Francis DePena. Good morning to you. Tony Soprano, happy belated birthday. Zan, Sacre Bleu. Democracy is a joke. You guys are bad, man. You guys are bad. Massey, what's going on? Did DDT get a new puppy? Andrew Cameron's the blue wave, baby. Let's go. Blue wave. We tapped the box and we are in Z gains. This is That's the one, man. I mean, whenever you see a pink box, okay, and it is intended, okay. Whenever you get into a pink box, which we had right in here, okay, and we said if we come into this pink box, we're looking for a bounce, and we came into the pink. You guys get me laughing already this morning. We came into the pink box and we went up. We went up. See, special pink box. Okay. Liquidity grab, golden pocket, and bouncing we did. Okay. Make us the money. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Okay. So what has happened, everybody? That's what you want to know. We're here to trade, right? So the weekly candle looking bullish. Beautiful push. Beautiful close, and then beautiful push after the close. Okay, doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet. Like to see this start to. We want to see it close above the golden pocket here. I just know there's resistance in here, so if we do sweep up into the high here, we could be in a little bit of trouble around 97,000. Okay, so let's be patient. However, over the last, week, we've really just stalled out here. If we're looking at this weekly or the daily here and look at the last week, it's just been chop. Okay, we do have a nice bullish engulfing to start the day, but that could end up down. Okay, remember, there's tons of liquidity below us here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down and get some of it. That's why we have key areas that we are prepared to trade if price does come down here. Okay, so just prepared for that. Looking at market cipher, a little bit overextended still, but the daily is starting to reset. We start to see, after chopping sideways, right? We start to reset our VWAP. Things get to kind of work their way back into pushing back up. Now, I hate saying, the price goes sideways to reset. It's just what happens naturally over time with a higher term time frame. Okay, so let's not just get married to that thought. We do have the bull divs here on the 3-day continuing to push up. Negative posturing on the VWAP here, okay? But we do have that beautiful trigger wave on the weekly and overextended here. So I think if we're going to come down, it would be this week. If we're going to come down. If we continue to stall out here, I think it's just building up to pop, okay? So we'll see what happens. The 12-hour here is a very nice tell in the sense that, hey, we've come back down. We started to flatten here. We're ramping here and we're ramping here. So if we're going to push, okay, if we're going to push, stalling out and pushing here would be good too. So we're very much stuck in the middle. And we want to be patient here. We want to be patient. We don't want to just press buy when it starts going like this because we have the threat of having some bearish divergence in here. 3 tap, bearish divergence. And you know if they send it down, it's going to be vicious, okay? Meaning you must, even though you do already. I know every single one of you guys do already use a stop loss, but you must be using good risk management in this sort of environment. Donald Trump, he tweets about making peace with China or something. This thing's going to pop, baby, okay? And then vice versa. If they continue to terrify the market. You see what I did there? I have to always explain my dad jokes. I got to get better. I'm a new dad, so I still have to be like, is that worthy of a dad joke? Terrify. I'm still getting there, okay? I don't have the just drop it and walk away. I don't have a mic drop kind of dad joke yet. So we'll continue to work on those for you guys. But right now, this is definitely pushing up. We can have the bearish divergence in here. It's very easily done. Especially 3 drives is a pattern we always look for in the Discord. Very, very simple. Okay, so let's be patient here. We are, ascending, which typically can break down as well. So a little bit of mixed signals here. What we want to see is continuation, right? Continuation, reclaim of that golden pocket, getting above that area, which we are very close to, right? So if we do continue to push, we look for that to act as resistance. However, if we do continue to push as well, we are looking to get acceptance back into this value area. Okay, very simply, if we're looking at this as a value area, you can see that we have pushed up. Nonetheless, we have, established some volume in here. So what we want to see, what Bitcoin wants to do really is really hold this area and rotate to the highs. Now the highs are up above like 103, which is a pretty big move. But you know what? Bitcoin farts 10% in a day, so let's be prepared for that as well. Okay, a beautiful pushback here. Everybody's getting excited, and that's after this kind of pain, it's very nice to get excited. But let's be level-headed, right? Keep the portfolio and the trading separate. That is, I mean, I'm looking at my Sui bags right now, and I'm like, should I just sell? Like, honestly, but trade the plan, invest in the plan, continue to hold. Right? We'll see. So today we wait. We're at the top of the range. We should be looking for shorts. A little bit of patience. Looking at the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 coming into the day. So how are we going to trade this thing, and how are we going to make money? Because that's what we're here to do. Well, we do have a beautiful trigger wave here on the 4-hour. We have ramping to the upside on money flow, which is looking good. A little bit overextended. So we could look for this thing to reset. Okay, the view up to reset and bounce. That would take us about later on this afternoon. So we could chop sideways and then bounce later on, or this view up stays very much overextended and we continue to ramp up. Just be well aware of that. Now, when we look at our 3, our 2, our 1, these things are all kind of gearing up to continue upwards. Okay, so bullish, yes, but also aware that we're at the top of the range right now. So we should be favoring shorts if we're treating this like a range, which is what we should be doing. We look at this as a range. We can see we're overextended. We should be looking for shorts. However, we want to go off confirmation. We have pushed up aggressively here. We've mitigated the high in here. So if we come back down, we're looking for the short. However, we should be favoring longs, which means that if we do come back down and we short it down, we still should be looking for the continuation up. Okay, this is why, as a scalper, you need to understand where you are and where it's relevant to take trades and how to take those trades due to the narrative that you're in, right? So the narrative is we're up only. Everybody's excited. Are they going to sweep the highs and rug everybody, or are they going to continue to push this thing so I can short it back down to the middle of the range and then look for the continuation trade back up into Valhalla? Okay, either way, we look to take money and manage our risk accordingly. Right? We know we have good support back in here. We have some order blocks in here as well, so we'll look for that to hold as support. But right now, we're a little bit overextended. So patience will prevail in a situation like this. So let's just be aware of that, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. You guys are kicking ass, taking names. Did anybody trade over the weekend? Anybody take that long area that we gave last night? That was pretty sweet. Good to see you. Good to see you getting used to French speaking. Oui. Pink boxes must be tapped. Let's go. Crypto Sammy. James Simpson, good morning to you. 2 in the pink. Let's go. Nick Musgrave took the pink trade, the pink box trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. I think we're almost at, I wonder if we can get to 13,000 subscribers this week. That would be really cool. However, we just keep trading. The illusion of choice. Oh, we're going to get I'm going to get my tinfoil hat out. Fixing my chair here. I don't have a tinfoil hat. I got a cowboy hat. I got a sailor's hat. And I got a fedora. I got all 3 under the desk. All 3 under the desk. Kangaroo buddy, what's going on, Buck? Good to see you, man. Easy money today. Poly market is a mess. Get you 5 to 1 on the dollar betting blue. Okay. The blue wave is coming, baby. Jay Violet, good morning to you. William, good morning. Syed, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. CJ Nis. China said they haven't even talked. Oh, okay. 51st state. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, at the end of the day, if you lower my taxes and you keep me safe and food price isn't extortionate, I don't care what you really call us. You can call us Canadian America, Americana. That's like a really good coffee, right? At the end of the day, lower the taxes, keep the food cheap, build houses. All right? And cut the crime. The crime is ridiculous in Canada. The best dad jokes are like grenades. You drop them and wait. Okay. All right. China denied even starting talks. Wow. My dad is always farting when I do a dad joke. Okay, dad joke. In my small village, someone was arrested for stealing underwear for clotheslines. The local paper said, nicker, nicked. Nick and knickers. Oh, man. What's going on? Army Piper's in the chat. My man. Don't forget the swear jar giveaway. That is the one. $110 swear jar giveaway today. Buck's wearing the otter shirt today. Let's go, baby. God bless you, Buck. Thank you for supporting the channel. Sailor bought that zone. Let's go, Sailor. Sailor, man. He must be in the otter gang. If you don't know if your dad joke is good or you think it's bad, it is actually good. Okay. What's going on, Tom G? Defiant. Good to see you as well. Thank you for reminding me, Tony Soprano. We do have a swear jar $110 giveaway that you guys elected to split. You elected to split it. $110. So USDT giveaway. We got to get up to that. We'll say 275 likes. We're at 381. So you guys, let's get up those likes, and then we give away the moolah. Okay, because I've been working on the swearing, but you know it's time to pay the piper, as they say, Army. And I got to make a quick scalp to pay you. No. Everyone needs a tinfoil hat. Yeah, it's always it's a conspiracy until it's true, right? That's the thing. Reggie Classic. I've seen Reggie Classic's tinfoil hat. We had a tinfoil hat competition at Chart Prime. Good fun. Weren't you supposed to shave the beard off at 10K subs? That was if we hit 10K in January, bro. We didn't hit it until end of February, so I dodged a bullet there, bro. Hello there. I'm new. Welcome, man. Thank you for being here. Yeah, so we're looking for confirmation. We're at double resistance here, so right now overextended. So if anything, we look for a sweep and then some sort of mitigation or a rollover this way, trade it back to VWAP, or all this liquidity in the lows in here. So right now, there's no trade for the short. We want to wait for really market structure is going to be the best tell within this area right now. It has been up only, very, very slow and methodical, up only since our bounce off that golden pocket liquidity zone from last night. So right now, don't want to fade this thing. I would like to see a sweep and a dump. We do have the mitigation of the high coming in right over here, so that would be ideal. If we can mitigate the high and then roll over, you know, get everybody excited this morning. Oh my God, we're going to Valhalla. Okay. That would be the idea. That would give me, you know, the sweep of the high would give me the sweep of the high and the close back within the range. Okay. You don't want to just go short here when it's ripping. We want the sweep of the high and the close back within the range, right? And then we take that short. That would be ideal. However, right now it seems like we're bouncing off our value area high and continuing upwards. So it's gonna be a very volatile week. So we got earnings all around the whole market. You know, the Nasdaq's gonna be all over the place here. We'll continue to monitor that. We'll see how the SPY does this week. But the Nasdaq did make, you know, a new high, which is pretty good. We've taken this high in here, so any sort of retracement can look for continuation. So that's a good sign. I'm looking for the Nasdaq to kind of roll over and retest, then go, but we'll see. If this, then that. So just being prepared every single day. We were, what were we last week? 4 for 5 last week, or 4 for 4. We did really well last week on the live streams. I even gave you guys that long off VWAP on Friday before I left. So that a lot of people took the VWAP slap on Friday. So great job last week, kicking ass, taking names. You know, really good trading week for everyone. So I love seeing you guys win. If you are new here, we're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking trades with you guys, hanging out. It's never financial advice. I just do what I normally do every single day and just try to share it with you guys. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel. We like to treat it like a hangout. We're all here sitting on our chairs, which I call a wanking chariot. We're sitting on our wanking chariots, trying to find an ideal setup where we can take a high probability trade with good risk management. And that's how we do it every single day. So thank you for being here, Benjamin. Laugh Lab, going back to 90K. Very possible. Very possible. Crypto, Billy in the chat. My man, Wickwife, 589. Nick Musgrave, Lunar Beaches, Crypto, Tony Soprano. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys here. The mods, modding. Thank you guys so much for everything. And don't forget to remind me, Mod's stream is what, Wednesday? How many days are in April? 30? 30? Yeah, Wednesday. Mod stream Wednesday. Okay, so I gotta kick serious butt this week with the trading. I gotta pay all these people end of the month, pay all the traders in the Discord. Oh my God. You guys making me work. Really bad crime in Canada? Yeah, in the last 3 or 4 years, it's been rampant, man. Normally really safe, but really bad lately, man. They have this policy where criminals get released really quickly. They don't put them in jail. It's really ridiculous. Catch and release. Looks like we got continuation here. No trade yet. Just patience. Slam Banjo. HFG, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Real Talk Trading. Ethy, good morning. Kalut, good morning. Paul Caruso, do you have a security system on your moose? Yeah, all I do is I make sure at least once a week I sharpen its hooves. So, and it's out back. So, like, if anybody comes in my backyard, I mean, I wish the best for you. Because that thing can kick. Catalyst, good morning to you. James Simpson. Where do you find the swear jar? The swear jar is on the Dixie here. Whenever I swear more than 2 times per day, okay, I got a two. I'm at 1 right now. I know I've sworn once already this morning. I stay honest with you guys. Okay? And this is Billy's fault, by the way. This is all Billy's fault. Billy wants me to be better. That's why. Billy cares more about myself than my feelings, which I appreciate. That's what a true friend is. Okay? Let's see. Good morning, Billy. Good to see you, bro. God bless you, man. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. Good stream last night. What's up, you beautiful bearded Canadian goose head VWAP slap momentum riding genie carpenter crypto Jesus? I guess that's you summed it up there, buddy. Good morning, LBC, my man. God bless you. LBC. What a beautiful, beautiful man. Looks like we got continuation to the upside here. Nick Musgrave, Clay the Great, Niels, Richie Roofs, good morning to you. Jesse Galluck. Wix Wife Fine 89. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. How's the Wix doing? God bless you, Wix. They both had back-to-back birthdays. RMT, what's going on? Retro mic check in the chat. Gains for life. Maybe a Band-Aid. The whole gang is here. Yeah, everybody's showing up this morning. They must be hungry this morning, Monday. Tamale, good morning. Good to see you, bro. DDT. Dave Digital's farting again. Typical. Honda Man. Most of the big countries have catch and release now. I think if you're a criminal, I don't think you should be released. Like, why do you have jails then? Yeah, it's like it's pretty bad, man. William just lost 2,500 USD on a gamble trade. Well, hopefully we can help you slowly make that back. I already voted. I did the early vote. I used a pen. I made sure to X out the area. So yeah, I've already voted. I mean, at the end of the day, you should exercise your right to vote. Still a privilege. Okay, a lot of other countries don't have that right. Geronimo, I don't like you always being bearish when I'm in a long. I'm not bearish. I just know we're at the top of the range. So I judge, most of my trading is judged on the amount of open mouth thumbnails on YouTube. Okay? We go over to Bitcoin and we look at, everybody's looking pretty stoic this morning. We go over here, we can see all the, okay, stoic, and then banter gets in here, and banter just opens, stoic, pretty stoic. Okay. Oh, Crypto Rover's done it. Frankie's got us too. Oh man. Here we go. Everything looks bullish. Whoa. Look at these thumbnails, man. This is huge. Whales, no. This is real, unreal. Anything for a click, baby. BTC explosion. Did you guys have a BTC explosion this weekend? Put a 1 in the chat. Oh, man. Anybody? I want to know. Put a 1 in the chat if you had a BTC explosion this week. Oh, too good. I'm happy for you guys. Check my sock. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I love it, man. You guys make me laugh. This has got to be the best group of misfits ever. Are you guys all coming to Vegas? Dave Digital is looking forward to my midget tossing booth where he gets to throw. I don't know. I can't find any, Dave. I can't find any rental services with the Velcro suits, man. I'm trying to find a Velcro suit, and they don't come in child sizes, right? Like, who do they think they're throwing here? Fractal Brace, good morning. Warren G, Honda Man. Crypto Billy. Skyrizonas, what's going on, man? Morning, family. Are you taller than Geo? Only by like half an inch. Buck knows the guy. Buck knows the guy. Don't worry, Buck's got us covered, Dave Digital. All right, a little bit of chop this morning. Nothing too exciting. Dixie, inverse head and shoulders, could push up here. I don't typically trade that. As long as we're below 100, this is great. This is good for all risk on assets. The NASDAQ continues to ramp up here, even though we have the earnings this week. Okay. We got 140 likes here, 460 people here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We're trying to get up to 275 likes, and then we're going to do the giveaway today for the swear jars. Okay. For the swear jars, because AlexOCrypto likes to swear. He's working on it. Getting a little bit overextended here on our 12. Very, very ugly bearish divergence trying to go here. But yeah, this is very, like, whoever took the long we gave last night in the Discord, I mean, you have patience of a god. Mitigation of the high here. Continuation. Like we said, we want to see sweep and dump. Nice continuation here. 8-minute. Money flow's good. Rolling over in here. What's our volume looking like here? Yeah, that was... What the heck happened at 6 a.m., man? That's pretty, looks like some manipulation going on in there. Anybody in the long right now? I saw that some of you guys were long. I wasn't awake at 10 o'clock last night. I was sleeping, so I did not enter this area here that we gave in advance in the Discord, but a bunch of you did. That's a good liquidity sweep, sufficient enough to push price up here. So we did get that nice bounce. Okay, this is what we were looking at last night in the Discord when I did an update video last night. So golden pocket 786 with liquidity zone in here. So we were looking generally here. Okay. However, you could front run it a little bit at the golden pocket. Nice bounce within the zone, and obviously up only. So really good call yesterday. Coming back from vacation last night. I mean, we took the weekend off, and we gave the key level here, the bounce level that we were looking at last night. The pink box, man. We're back, baby. Gang, 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 crushing it. If you do want to join our little beautiful group of otters, you can come over in here. And Kyle's going to be voting after this morning live. Good man. And our amazing Discord here. The family. Look at the good mornings in here. This is great, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for saying good morning, everybody. Great group of people. Great group of traders. You got updates coming out the wazoo. Look, me and Kyle hung out. Look how much taller Kyle is than me. Okay? I ain't got to explain my hobbitness. Okay? We got Brewberry. We got CVO with the updates, crushing it. We got HRJ giving the signals. I mean, woof, woof. Oh, my God, you guys are spoiled. Okay, so if you want to come over and hang out in our Discord, we'd love to have you. However, if you don't, you can come over to the free section. There's a free section as well where we can talk a lot of smack and have a lot of fun as well. We'd love for you to come over and hang out with us over in the Discord. And make sure you ask Tony Soprano a lot of questions. Now that he's older, he's much more capable of answering them with a little bit more flavor. So make sure you go at Tony Soprano. Make sure you let him know that you're interested in having a conversation. Alex Mean Muggin, yeah. I have one with smile. There was a picture of Kyle and I was smiling, but Kyle looks a little weird, so we posted that one. I was also standing on a chair in that picture. Okay? Gains for life in our Discord. Love this guy. Miles, crushing it. You guys are all crushing it. Long from 9100. Nice job. Gains for life's ready to load the shorts up. 269s is greater than 275s. We got continuation here. Nice push for Bitcoin coming in to 845 right now. We still got quite a bit of time. Still got a bit of time here. Nice bounce. Yeah. Volume increasing on these candles here. A little bit of patience. We've tapped all our previous day levels. Okay, so we've bounced, tap, 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 and tap. So we could look to return back to them. Middle of the range kind of deal in here. There's nothing too significant with our daily levels right now, but very, very aggressively overextended, my friends. So let's just be level-headed here. No trade for now. Coming into Monday, Mondays I typically like to take a quick $100 scalp and then trade for reals. You know what I mean? Okay, but I like to get the momentum started, right? The momentum started. We'll see. There was no reason to get long off of this. I mean, you got bullish continuation. That's basically it. What's going on, Ritual? Good to see you. Rick Medella, thoughts on Caspa getting listed on Binance? Bullish, man. Good news, man. Wick's wife, Hobbitness. Yes, I am from the Shire. You guys, you're going to see all these pictures of everybody, right? You're going to see all the pictures of Vegas. You're going to see group photos, right? You're going to have all these people, right? Just like in those classroom photos, right? And then you're going to see me. You have Crypto Billy here, and then you're going to have Dave, and then you're going to have me. And Dave's going to be like patting me in the head, you know? Dave's going to be patting my head. Cute little otter kid. Okay? And then I'm going to be Dave in tennis. And he's going to cry. Dave's like, I'm going to kick your ass, little boy. Good push here. Am I going to do a discount on the Discord? Yeah, in a month. I'm planning on doing one. Dave can rest his beer on my on my head, yeah. Nice push. Are you going to keep your regular streaming schedule while in Vegas? Yeah, man. I mean, it's earlier, so I can get it done in the morning, get out and golf, or kick your butt in tennis, and then get to the conference, right? Depends on the Wi-Fi there too. I don't know how well the Wi-Fi is going to be. It might have to be a pre-recorded. Alex is bullish on Cass. No. You know what? I say LTC over Cass, okay? This is LTC is greater than Cass. Nice bearish divergence in here coming down. Nasdaq pushing. I think Fartcoin's better than Caspa. I mean, there's some Wave Cipher in our Discord. He absolutely kicks the living poop out of Fartcoin. He makes it shark coin. Volume coming in here on the mitigation of the high. Interesting. Can we sweep the lows and go lower? So looking for this, if we're going to, I can't even use my magnet tool this morning. If we can take this low and start to put in a downtrend, we can look for a potential short. Nothing yet. Still waiting here, guys. Yeah, still waiting here. Slow patience. Not easy. Christopher Walken. Yeah, we'll get what's his name who does the animal. Is it Christopher Walken who does the animal like videos? The zebra on the plains is running away from the Morgan Freeman. I think my style, I definitely get like Sam Jackson saying the mother effer. Get the mother effing price off the mother effing fib zone. Damn straight, buddy. Let's go. Let's go, Wave Cypher. Bring Starlink. I don't have Starlink, man. What's going on, Infinite? Good to see you. It's not worth waiting for the Discord. I mean, I would just join too. I mean, it's the cheapest. You get 5 traders. You get live streams at the wazoo. You get teaching catered to you. I yell at you sometimes to help you get better. Can you explain how you use volume? I explain how I use volume. Absolutely. Volume lets me... So I typically will flip volume on depending on if I don't see it or not. Volume tells me strengths. It'll also tell me absorption. Okay? So if I have volume coming in here, I know that this is bullish absorption and they're going to push it up. If I have volume coming in here, right? It's all depending on what price action does with the volume is what I'm getting at. I do believe I have a volume teaching thing on my YouTube. And in the Discord, I mean, we do volume, we do, you name it, trading a range, over trading, taking profits, VWAP lessons, orb training, V-shaped recoveries and entries, how to trade with a full-time job, DCA planning, candle patterns, iTrade, wick test, SFPs, basic fibs, bottoms and tops, and how to identify them. Another VWAP lesson. Trading rules you must have, okay? CVO, big trading videos, swing trades, volume. There's your volume, okay? Maybe I'll share it if you behave yourself. It doesn't end. Larry Flint. We're going to... Larry Fink. Bottoms and tops and how to identify them sounds pretty gay. Right? BC, are you a top guy or are you a bottom guy? Or are you not even a guy? You let me know. Randy percentage. See, you guys are disturbing the peace here. Disturbing the peace. I'm Dom. Let's go. BC, I'm going to give you a 10-second timeout because I actually like your attitude. It's good. Oh, man, it's Monday, baby, and it's already begun. It's already begun. I was going to join until I found out no cast. Oh, man. Luke Zaldana, what's going on? Good morning. Getchy, good morning. The animal videos narrated by Snoop Dogg are the best. I like when he's cooking with Martha Stewart. Fashizi, Manizi. Bless you. My wife just sneezed. Bless you. Jimmy wants in on the golf competition. I mean, I'm down to play anywhere, anytime. Don't cry when you have to hit 2 clubs to get up to my drive. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, Dave Digital. Watch, we go golfing and I just absolutely like just I'm in the sand all day. How you doing, Randy? Good to see you. How many likes do we have? We're trying to get to 275. We're at 180, 510 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're going to do the giveaway at 275. If you guys want to smack up that like button, I'd really appreciate it. Just trying to do the giveaway for the swear jar. We got two $60 USDT giveaways. 60? No, 55. We did 110, right? Yeah, 110, 55. I kind of like this for a short, to be honest. Pretty cheap trade. Still waiting. No trade yet. A little patience. I just want to make sure you guys are all on your toes here, okay? Just want to give you guys a little bit of perkiness. Five-minute bear div. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Trading is waiting, baby. That's it. X payouts are only big for the favored. I don't think I've ever gotten an X payout in my life. Thank you for the 205 likes. Where are we going? Where are we going golfing? That's another thing. I'm talking to TradeFly. We kind of don't know where we're going to go. TradeFly is one of the favored for sure. Getting ready to drop half the prop account on the first trade. Yeah, that's the one, Sniper. Everybody's just ready to go absolute hammer it home, baby. I need that USDT. Got wrecked out of my trades this morning. Are you sure you need more money to lose? That's wishful thinking, man. You shouldn't be getting wrecked, man. There's no reason to get wrecked. We must be patient. We must be frugal. And we must use good risk management. What's going on, RS Miller? Good to see you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, Randy. Did you have a nice weekend? I went on a adventure with the family. What's going on, Sharkfin? Good to see you, bro. Good afternoon from Athens. What's going on, man? Mr. John, L. John. If you are new here, it's customary to smash that like, yeah. Still waiting here. How's the NAS looking? Okay, we're pushing up on the US. Still flat on the Dixie here. A little patience. Did any of our trades bang Solana? Okay, no. Link. We gave a link setup. Ooh, we just missed it. Sui. We gave Sui. Nope, missed that too. It's hard being not perfect, you know? Oh man. Oh man. Ondo? You guys are all looking at these weird coins, man. How can you guys look at Caspa, man? Caspa. I can only swing trade alts, man. I can never scalp alts. I'm not that qualified. Okay? The liquidity, the scamminess. I don't know how you guys do it, to be honest. You guys are better humans than me. Money flow's coming out here on our 5 minute. I'm tempted, you know. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, we get our hourly, okay? Hourly is starting to make its way down on VWAP, capping off a little bit here. Flattening out on, okay. 30 minute, okay. A little bit of a warning sign here on our hourly coming into market open. Possibly a little bit overextended to the upside. Yeah. I'd like to short, but I'd prefer to go off confirmation. I'd prefer to go there. Because this is good bullish momentum. And the story is, like, if we talk about, we always got to build a narrative, right? So if we've come down, we've swept our golden pocket liquidity down below here, and we've recovered overnight, and then they've absolutely chucked price upwards here, right? Look at the volume coming in. So for me, there's intention here. There's intention to push price higher. How high are they come? Why wouldn't they come for this high if they're coming right here? Okay. Why would they not sweep this high of the range if they've managed to sweep and push with volume coming in? Okay. There's no reason to fade this yet, is what I'm trying to get at. There's no reason for us to think that, hey, man, we're going down right now. That doesn't mean we don't go down. That means that if we are going to go down, we want them to tell us kind of why they're going to go down, right? Otherwise, we should be favoring longs. So it's so important to be able to kind of build that idea and then be reactionary based on price action as price action unfolds going into market open, right? We got 222 likes, so we only need about, I can't math that, 50 more. 50 more for the giveaway. Don't fade the penguin. Yeah, there's bearish divs on the 5 minute here, so we have bearish divergence here. And divergence typically come back to where they started. But that we're fighting an uptrend, right? So no reason to short this thing yet. And that's what we do. We wait, because this could easily do one of these where it's like, and then it goes, right? So just want to wait. No need to rush. Monday morning, nothing really appealing here. Look at the volume coming in on this candle here, trying to push price up and then getting rejected down. So that's interesting as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up that like button. Subscribe if you are new. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading this thing, having good fun, hanging out with you guys, the Otter gang, gang, gang. We'll see. We'll see. I need to know, you guys all had a good weekend. I assume that. You've touched grass. You've traded. Waiting for Monday. Yeah. Okay. Are we going to do up only here? And BC, I knew you're gonna get muted eventually, BC, man. You kept it going. I'm surprised they didn't mute you earlier. The grass was good this weekend. Okay. I live in New York. There's no grass to touch. This is true. Concrete jungle, baby. I mean, Toronto isn't much better. Super early press briefing at the White House right now. Interesting. Lunar Beach is in the chat. May is going to be a great month, I feel like. Just say May is going to be a great month. Don't feel. Just May is going to be a great month, man. That's it. Because of your TA and what you've figured out. Lunar Beaches Crypto 10 AlexOCrypto memberships. We're gonna have to make you comment on one of Lunar Beach's videos then today for the giveaway. 10 gifted memberships. Seabass Crypto. Good morning. Good to see you, man. J. David, I believe you're a lurker. Good morning, lurker. J. David. Reggie got 1 membership. Good morning, bro. Good to see you. Matt Madasi, lurker. Notable 0. I'm not sure if you're a lurker, but I'm going to call you a lurker. I didn't see a good morning from you. RPM. Yeah, you're a lurker. Too many letters and numbers. Aku, lurker. Sam, lurker. Phoenixio, lurker. TXI, it's not in the game. You're a lurker. Thank you for the gifted memberships. Lunar Beaches Crypto, my man. God bless you, bro. How many subs are you at now, bro? We're gonna have to pump your channel. You and me, LBC ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on LBC's channel. Lurker here. Thank you for being a lurker. Shout out to all the lurkers in the back. Good morning and God bless. Thank you for being here, Valera. Neil, what's going on? Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning. That's the only thing it's in the game. It's the only thing we ask, man. It's the only thing we ask is for you to say good morning. I mean, I feel kind of weird. Like I'm just here talking to a camera, trading my day, and people come in here and they just watch me and be quiet. Imagine. This isn't like a doctor's waiting room, is it? I'm new, buy or sell. We wait. We wait, my friend. We set the trap. Good night. Good night. That works too. Or good afternoon. Good morning. Drew, good morning. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Look at this. Look at this price action. Absolute dog crap. Curvis, good to see you, man. I need some more coffee. We need some more likes. We got 280. We're doing the giveaway. Okay, great. We'll do the giveaway. I'm going to go get some more coffee. I'll be back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Dump it, Bitcoin. It's weird. Not as many people leave when you say you're going to give them, we're going to give away money. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? The likes went up a lot faster too, man. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Catchy tune, yeah. Absolutely. Love the tune. Banger. People like money? No way. What's going on, Crypto Princess? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Nice little rollover here. Wick's wife, good to see you. Harp, good morning. Fine 89. Let's go. Yoda the One. Good morning. Good to see you. Good morning, everyone. Greetings from my work. Diego, hopefully you're doing well, man. Joey Van. Dusty Hunt. Skyrizonas. Dusty, you changed your emoji over here. He's a Bitcoin maximalist now. I found malware on my remote access. Oh, careful, Lorelei. Lorelei, we love you. Be safe, please. Did you get your notifications fixed in the Discord? Hopefully you're able to figure that out. I know a couple people were struggling with the notifications for the trade setups and the ideas in the Discord. Hopefully that's all fixed for you. Wayne C, good to see you. Hopefully your wife made you a nice sandwich this weekend. All right, we're going to do a crypto poll. What comes first? I need to know. Good morning, Board PC. Good to see you, man. Massey, chicken. Notifications fixed. Lorelai, if you wouldn't mind helping Massey with that, I think, or just explaining how you fixed it. I don't know. Maybe your husband did it. I think you said your husband's in IT, so he might have fixed it for you. Thank you for being part of the gang, though. I do appreciate your support. So retest the previous lows right now. When pulling the fib, yes, always start at the wick. Always at the wick. You want the full low. Okay, you want the full low to the high. Right? You should start at the wick. Wicks matter, okay? We got a break. We haven't broken this low. We're breaking down, retesting previous lows, looking for continuation down right now. However, we do have bullish momentum to the upside and an uptrend, so we don't necessarily want to fade this. We have continuation here, if anything. Okay, so no trade just yet. It's 9:15. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're going to do a giveaway at the end of the stream. We're doing a 110 USDT giveaway, so we're going to do 55 each. You're just going to have to comment on a couple people's videos. And we'll pull the names out of the hat, okay? All that good fun. Is there a place where we can find your fib settings? Yeah, just come in the Discord and message me and go fib settings. And they're the same as anyone else's. Screenshot, baby. There's nothing special in here. It's all the same. Continuation down here. A little bit overextended, but not extremely. 1 hour still has room. VWAP resetting. 2 hour. Still lots of room on the 2 hour and the 3 and the 4. The 4, the concern is this, right? The concern is this on the 4. Okay, that's the concern. Are they going to front run us? They have. Bitcoin's been front running a lot of bottoms and highs lately. So I wouldn't be surprised if they front run us. However, for us to be able to fade rules based on a fading an uptrend, we must go off of market structure confirmation at minimum 5 minute. Okay. 5 minute market structure break. Otherwise, we're looking for an SFP continuation trade here. Patience will prevail. Happy Monday, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with us. Another day, another dollar. Kicked ass last week. 4 for 5. We'll call it 4 for 5 and making lots of money, managing our beautiful risk, having good fun. Trying to teach you how to fish every single day. This is what I do for my job. Been full time for over almost 2 years now. Full time trading. Amazing Discord, amazing people. Built on kindness. Don't be a douche canoe, okay? If you're a douche canoe, you have a quick boot. I didn't say a boot, I said boot button. Okay? No need for poison in the well. LBC prefers long wicks. He likes when the candle's happy to see him. Good times, good times. You guys are absolute filth. I love it. Slam Banjo, what's going on, man? Just love how you support literally everyone in the space. Alex fan for life. The thing is, you want everybody to eat. You want the good people to eat, right? I think that's the key. Is like, if people have been good to you and they're honest people, and it's hard to find good, honest people in this space. I tell you that. Much. I searched far and wide for. I've been doing this for over three and a half years. So there's nothing better than having someone just be straight with you. You're not going to hurt my feelings as long as you're being honest with me. Okay? $10 minutes till market opens. Thank you, Pink. I know if I F up, I have not only the mods, but I have a lot of people in this space who hold me accountable as well too. And I expect that. I expect to, I swear, I talk a lot of smack, but I'll give you the shirt off my back. You guys know that. And I don't have to, the worst part is having to say that. Like I just, action. Don't, this talk is cheap, right? I just got my bank card since I turned 18 yesterday, and I got 1,500 euro in the bank. Want to invest like 1K long term? Is investing them in BTC a good idea? Probably not yet. I would stick around and get a better feel for the market, man. Don't turn your 1,000 into 0,000s. Okay. I'd start to learn the market a little bit, get some trading view. I'm 80% Bitcoin, and it saved my butt. Okay, I am in altcoins, but little bit at a time. Little bit at a time. Get some exposure, but do some research way before you even think about touching that money. Save your money for now. If Bitcoin does have a big pullback, that's when you're looking. There's no fear in the streets right now. You want to buy when others are scared, right? So if you look at this, fear and greed, right? Right now, it's euphoric, right? About 2 weeks ago would have been the time to buy. Right now, we're starting to climb, right? Now, I don't think that the top is in, so there is an opportunity for you to make money. But right now, you'll be buying the top. This is the highest point right here. That's the highest point we've been since February. Why would you buy here? Okay? Think about it like that. This is the highest point since February. Yes, we can go higher. But why? This is the epitome of buying the top within the last year. Okay? If we zoom out, right? Down here, much better deal. But we're in the situation where, hey, we're revisiting the highs right here. We could easily come back down to here. Still very much on the table. Okay? And if we come down here and you buy altcoins, I mean, what is that? 20% correction? That's 60% correction on altcoins. That's when you buy. When everybody's puckered, man. So you're 18, you got the best thing on your side, and that's time, baby. Time. So time in the market. So long-term investment, you might need your $1,000. So be safe, be cautious, be patient. It's all the things I would tell my 18-year-old self. and to stop drinking. Because I was a party animal at 18, man. So I'm glad you're here. Ah. All right, we got 5 minutes till market opens here. Just chop it about, guys. There's nothing, we can't force price action here. We got bear divs here, so we want to see mitigation of the low, retest continuation down into our liquidity of the low order block in here. Okay, that's option one. Option two is we have a continuation trade. Maybe we push up here. We can look for the revisit of previous highs and continuation out. However, we must be well aware that we are sweeping the highs here on a higher term time frame, so that becomes problematic. We must go off confirmation, and we must be very, very cheap, meaning that if we are going to get in here, our stop loss must be very tight, okay? It's a continuation trade, and it's going into a heck of a lot of resistance, okay? So be prepared for that if we are going to get long. We also have the option of coming down here and bottoming out at VWAP or the golden pocket or the order block down here. So in this general area, we can look for some sort of longing opportunity and continuation back up. If we are to lose this low in here, we look to rotate to the bottom of the range, coming back into the order block right around 92,800. So no trade there, just a little bit of patience here. However, a little bit overextended. This price action is very questionable. This creates a lot of liquidity for the longs, right? Stop loss trailing. So wouldn't be surprised if we came for that before we went up. But that's weekend price action for you. So let's let the price come to us. We have our ideas, our traps. Price action will help us make a better decision coming into market open. The NASDAQ continuing to rip to the upside. We have a lot of earnings this week. So be well aware that the stock market's going to not heavily influence crypto, but it's going to be a big part of it, right? If companies start, losing money and stuff like that, we could see a downturn on the S&P, a downturn on the NASDAQ. Okay, so be well aware of that. The Dixie continues to trade underneath 100, which is bullish. Okay, losing strength on the Dixie. The altcoins are continuing to push. We are looking for a higher high on, I believe it's total 3. Let me double check for you guys. Total 3. Looking for a higher high to come in here. If we go out on like a daily, I believe. Looking for the higher high. I have a big alarm set here, so you guys should have one too. I would like to see a candle close above this high in here, really telling me that we have a confirmed structure change and we can look for continuation on our altcoins. Okay, so be well aware that we have not closed above this high yet on total 3, suggesting that altcoins are still not out of the bearishness yet. Like if we fail to get above this high here, we can easily revisit the lows. So be very well aware of that. Let's not get overly bullish or overly bearish. Let's be aware-ish, as we like to say here. Aware-ish of where we are in price action. Right now, we are at the top of a range, okay? Our hourly, our 2-hour, our 3-hour, our 4-hour. Looks like there is some room to the upside after a long kind of reset from Friday across here. Sweeping down, we did give the low entry here in the Discord, which was really good. If anyone took that last night, I've seen a bunch of you guys take that, being prepared. But we are definitely range bound, okay? So at the top of the range, we should be looking for shorts. At the bottom, we look for longs, right? And we can try to jump on this trend, which is up right now since mitigating the high here. So let's just be patient. Let's let price get to us. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're going to do a $110 giveaway today at the end of the stream. So stick around. 55 each. We're going to split it. You guys chose to split it on Thursday. I had to run Friday, so we're going to do it today. And then we have the mod stream on Wednesday. So lots of giveaways this week and just trying to give back, okay? So we'll let you know how to get into the giveaway. And we'll do that at around 10 o'clock, okay? We got 1 minute till market opens, everybody. Joining a boat club. Dogs already know how to love. They just come here to teach us how to love. Dog backwards is God. Don't forget that. Okay, rolling over here into market open. 30 seconds, everybody. Expect a little gap up here for the S&P, not much. We'll see what we get. We got 620 people here, 330 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Subscribe if you are new. We are here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So Bitcoin's mitigating that low right now, looking for the SFP coming into this market open. Bang, 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 choo-choo train, market's open. S&P opening up pretty flat, okay? So pretty much even keel here on the S&P. Bitcoin mitigating that low, looking for a continuation up here. Remember, we said we could sweep this low and still be bullish. Trading above VWAP suggests we are in an uptrend, looking for a continuation up until proven otherwise. Target coming in right above here at our highs here and our golden pocket here. Just waiting. We'll see what happens. Market is open now. NASDAQ chopping up here. I would expect a return actually back down to this 19,000 area, but we'll see. SPY continuing to push. It's a pretty bearish 30-minute candle that just printed. Looks like we got continuation down for now. Just waiting here. Continuation down. Nice rollover, revisiting these highs right now. Golden pocket tap. Golden pocket tap, continuation down here. Considering a long down in here. Nice pushback. Retest of previous lows. No trade yet. Good volume coming in on that candle, coming down, grab some liquidity in the lows here, tapping those fair value gaps. We'll see if it does want to push back here. Really stuck in the middle right here. So you're taking that golden pocket or you're taking the continuation down here back into VWAP, retest of previous lows, okay? No trade for me right now. It's a pretty small little area here, so just trying to be patient. We got continuation down here. I like this area a lot better than the golden pocket. We have a single confluence in here. I mean, we do have some fair value gaps in here, and then we have the previous highs in here. So this could act as a pretty good, and the momentum coming in here. So we do have sufficient support in here, I would say, but I would prefer to come here. Right? Where would you put your stop loss here, right? Are you going to put it all the way down here? So why don't we look over here? Much safer trade and much better risk management, right? whenever you're considering a trade, you also have to account for your R multiple, right? So where is your stop and where can you get to, right? You're getting long here. You're putting yourself at a lot of risk, in my opinion. Coming into the golden pocket here. Continuation down. Anybody take the short from up here? I mean, we saw the bear div. We said we could come back down here. It's a risky short, in my opinion. Nice rollover here for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, supporting the channel. Thank you for telling me Empire Trades. I appreciate you telling me, man. Rolling over here, no trade yet. Good morning, Maba. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Luke Zaldana, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Rashad, good to see you as well. Nice little trigger wave here on the 8-minute. Like we said, we're looking for something down in here that we get, you know, the bounce. If we're gonna long it, right? Still waiting for that. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Good push down here. Nice trigger wave forming on the 12-minute here. Still waiting. NASDAQ holding its higher lows. Coming down 786 here. No trade. 1 minute. I do like when it's choppy like this. There is a little bit of a battle going on here, suggesting that we could pop back up. Don't need to rush it, though. Congrats to those who took the short up here. You guys are more patient than I am. Dump it to 0, I hope. Okay. Have a great day, Crypto Princess. Much love. Thanks for coming by. Greetings from Berlin. Krakenwagen. It's my favorite German word. I had to say it. Welcome. You just got sniped, bro. Live. You got sniped live. Guess you just went to the Krakenwagen in the Kraken house. You can trade the beats. You can trade Bitcoin on any chart you prefer, Danish. It's just time. Every chart's the same. It's just time. Okay, it's all fractal. It's all the same. It's just time. Kyle's short. Good job, Kyle. He must have got short off the break of the momentum. Coming down VWAP for the slap. We'll see if we get the slap. NASDAQ. Buy. 786 been tapped into our order block in here. A little bit of patience here. Considering a long here. Back up to the highs. Quick scalp. No trade yet. 5 minutes till orb. Five minutes to orb. Just waiting here. Great job on that short, everybody, if you did take it. A little pushback here into the order block. Continuation. We're starting to get that bull div forming here. So I typically look for this to push up, and then we get another sweep, and then we go. Okay. Waiting for now. This bear div's played out quite nicely all the way back here, so patience. Bitunix is down. Let me see. I refreshed mine. Uh-oh, you're going to get me in trouble. Oh, mine's not working either. Great. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's back. I'm back. I don't know if you're back, but I'm back. It's too much alpha. Too much alpha. I'm not long, no. Portugal and Spain have no power. Good. Well, we'll make all the money then. We'll save them something for tomorrow, maybe. Good to see you, Melissa. How you doing? Thanks, Al Hussein. NASDAQ ripping. SPY ripping. Bullish. Looking good here. Dixie dumping. SPY ripping. Looking strong for Bitcoin here. Not close enough, man. I'm not going to justify getting long off of that. This looks good, though. This looks good. Did we get any news or anything like that? Any news? Anything? I don't see anything. Dump for Bitcoin here. SFP. SFP continuation, possibly. I'd like VWAP. I'm frozen here. I'm frozen over here. On Bitunix again. I'm frozen over here. Still not loading. I'm still frozen over here. I don't know what's going on with Bitunix. Error. Connection error. It's not good for okay. I'm always worried like it's gonna enter me in a position. VWAP slap here. It hasn't entered me in any position now. It doesn't say I have any money on here either, which is not true. They're really going to rob me of trading today then. I'm not long, I'm not short. I'm waiting for my exchange to work. No money anymore. I mean, I got over. The exchange still not working. Timeout. Operation was aborted due to timeout. It says I have money in here now. Anybody short? Enjoying the ride? No slap here yet. No trade for me. I mean, I can't trade. Oh, we might be back. We might be back. I'm afraid to trade on this now. I think we're back. Okay, 15,000 start the day. 30,000 in the account. Okay. Okay, nothing got entered. We're still good. I think we're okay. I'm afraid to enter a trade. Friends, what do you think? What do you think? YOLO. I'm talking to my rep right now. My rep's really good. She replied almost immediately, so how far are we into our stream? Maybe I can tell her to go and take a look here. We are almost 2 hours into the stream. No trade here, friends. Nice bearish momentum to the downside. I guess we should have got short. Nice roll over here. Continuation down. Mitigation of the low right now. That I'm coming in for the mitigation of the low. VWAP here. So a little dance. We're going to have a little dance here, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We almost got rugged, but we didn't. We didn't get rugged by the stream. or by the exchange. Nothing like a good old exchange rug, eh, everyone? That's MexC. If you want to get rugged by an exchange, trade on MexC. Been there, done that. Everybody seems to like it, but low fees and BS network errors. Closed short. Good job. Good job, everybody. Sorry about that. I just, nice roll over here. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Send it to 0. Order block in here. Rolling over here, Bitcoin. Mitigation of the low, so definitely bearish. Definitely bearish here. Look for a retrace up to VWAP and continuation down. Or a reclaim of VWAP and continuation up. Sorry, the exchange thing threw me off today, guys. You can't always plan for well, you can't plan for that stuff at all, so losing the orb here, rolling over. Coming in for a sweep of the lows right now. Right back into the middle of the range, POC. Got some volume node in here. If we lose this, we're definitely coming down to 93.7. At minimum. Beautiful, beautiful rollover here. Now I look for revisit of previous lows here, so we can look for a short here. And the short at the orb, okay? For continuation down. If we're going to get it. Reclaim of VWAP and holding VWAP can give us a long entry. Nice rollover here for Bitcoin. Curvis, why are you longing? Right now, there's no reason to get long, buddy. There's no reason to get long here. I mean, coming into golden pocket. No trade right now. That's smart. Rolling over right now, coming into our golden pocket zone. Big old dump this morning, shaking people out. Everything's still surprisingly doing okay. Bitcoin dominance rolling over too. Looking for a sweep into the lows here. No trade so far. No trade so far. I mean, we could have jumped on short. I was just very distracted by our beautiful exchange problems. Not cool, man. Coming into our 618 right now. Okay. I'm going to do our a giveaway. Okay, everybody. I want you guys to go over to our fellow trader LBC over here, my man. Go over to this video and just comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Go over this video. Make sure you subscribe to Lunar Beach's Crypto. Please subscribe to Lunar Beach's Crypto. Let's see if we can get him to 600 subscribers. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be kind of cool. Go over this video. Look at this handsome man. Like, subscribe. Okay. Like and subscribe. Comment Otter Gang, please. Please comment Otter Gang. OTTERGANG. Otter Gang, gang, gang. We're going to do a giveaway today. I'd appreciate if you guys subscribe to my friend here.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar.
We could do a little bit better. I don't see enough Otter Gangs in here, guys. More comments than subscriptions, and that's not acceptable. Let's get this to 600, please.
What's going on, everybody?
Let's go, baby. Little bounce here for Bitcoin. Little bounce here on Bitcoin. How long do you guys last? 15 seconds or 15 strokes? I need to know. How many subscribers do we have now? Come on, 600?
What's going on, everybody?
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 152 comments. We're going to roll that beautiful comment picker. Got 39 unique comments, guys. 39 unique comments. Okay. You guys all put Otter in there, right? You want me to do it again? 4 plus 4 is 9. All right. Are we ready? Steady, go. 55 USDT. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. You just have to come over to the Discord and prove your YouTube. Wix, Wi-Fi 89. Let's go. Frick, yes. See, I didn't even swear. Wifey. Congratulations. No one better. Wifey's winner, winner, chicken dinner. Congratulations, wifey. Wix Wi-Fi 89, baby. Let's go. Let's see some wifey emojis in the chat. Let's see. Let's see. Congratulations, wifey. 55 USDT. Claim your prize. Come over here. Wix wife, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I love seeing you win. Coming up here for a VWAP slap right now, everybody. Looking for a short. V-shaped recovery right now. Grabbing a lot of liquidity down below. Be patient here. Rolling over here on the NAS. SPY's rolling over a little bit. See if we get the VWAP slap here. To the downside. Looking for the short. Looking for the short here. No slap? Come on, slap that thing. Looking to possibly take a stab here. Let's see if we slap this thing. Like to see a slap here. Congratulations, wifey. We're going to do one more giveaway. It's 10:05 already, guys. Holy smokes. You guys are making me work overtime. Looking for the trade here. I got to find someone else's channel for you guys to pump. Looking for the short here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting here. No slap. Front running the slap, eh? Got V-shaped recovery. Order block in here. Looking for the slap. Come back down here. Coming in VWAP right here. Three-minute. It could come up to this order block here, guys. So don't be front running this too much. Let's see how this candle closes here. I'm picking out my next video for the giveaway here. I found it. I found it. Anybody in the short? Crypto Billy, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. A little rejection here. I like this. Can we continue downwards? We'll see. So we got our good friend TradeFly. Okay. I want you guys to go over to TradeFly's channel here. All right. I'll share the link with you guys here for the next giveaway. Go comment Otter Gang. Same deal. Same deal. Otter Gang. Here's the link. Here's the link. Make sure you go and slap the like button. Subscribe to TradeFly here. Otter Gang. Comment picker. Please and thank you. Trade Fly, my brother. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, please.
I got the cash in the bank.
I don't see enough Otter gangs in the chat here. Slap in here. Nice V-shaped recovery. I don't want to fade three white soldiers to the upside here just yet. If we do come back and close below VWAP, we can look for a short. If not, no trade. Everybody over to Trade Fly's channel. Otter Gang in the chat here, please. Okay, Otter Gang, let's go, baby. Subscribe. Let's get them to 1,500, everybody. Come on. 147. Let's get them to 1,500 subscribers. Please and thank you. 147. Let's get them to 1,500. Please and thank you. No short. I'm watching it on my other screen, by the way, if you're wondering. Reclaiming VWAP here, looking pretty strong. Like I said, could come up to this order block in here for continuation down. Good old recovery. See how it reacts to orb. A little wick test in here too coming in. All right, so we got Trade Fly here. Did we all subscribe, please? 148. Okay, not bad. Thank you guys for supporting the good people in this. The good people in the crypto industry. You know, it's hard to find. It's hard to find. We'll go over to our comment picker here. Trade and fly, baby. All right. 1 + 1 is 4. 1 + 1 equals window. If you know, you know. Getting some comments. 158 comments here, guys. You guys are gone bananas on this. You guys gone complete bananas. 158 comments. All right. Are you guys ready to rock? Dun, 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 dun. Go, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, supporting friends of the channel. I do appreciate you guys. Winner, chicken dinner. Who do we got here? Come over to the Discord. Danny's V8. Congratulations, Danny's and Wick's wife, on your 55 USDT. Congratulations, winners, chicken dinners. Thank you guys. Winners, chicken dinners. Come over to our Discord here. Danny's V8, prove yourself. And we'll get you your coin. Congratulations. Thank you for being part of the gang. Thank you for being here, hanging out with us. Looking for the short right now. I mean, it's we're going late. It's 10:15, guys. You guys keeping me up late tonight. Looking for the short here, but no trades so far. Just waiting. Gonna end it there. Been a bit of a weird one with the exchange. So don't want to put myself at risk right now. I would like to talk to my rep and figure some stuff out. That ain't cool, man. Happy Monday. I mean, we gave the short. We didn't take the short, but that's fine. Living to trade another day is also a good way to trade as well, okay? So have a wonderful day. I'll see the Discord today at noon. Looking forward to that, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later on, all right? God bless. See you later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 slow. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed.